Stop moving. Yo, you in my face looking trash. Boy, I don't know why you talking. You look ugly just like mine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My PS5, I got a PS5, a PC, Nintendo Switch. Okay, yeah, I'm rich. I know that because I'm cool. Yeah, you don't talk to me like that. That because you're so stupid. And your facially move, you're so ugly, boy. Where is those? You is got so ugly glasses, bro. Look at your shoes. Look at your freaking face. Boy, you never talk to me like that because you is so trash. Nobody likes you. Yeah, yeah. Shut your goofy up. I know I can cuss because shut your ugly ass up. You never talk to me like that. Nigga, what the fuck? What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck? Yeah, bye.